Hi, I'm Carol, and I just set up this $10 funnel that I'm really excited about. Yes, you can use this $10 funnel. It's a business inside it that is only $10 and it's been around for 25 years. It is solid. All right, and now I'm getting daily signups, daily leads, and yes, income too. Okay, so this is the system right here that you see. There's no hype, there's no rotators. It's just a simple system doing exactly what it says. Let me come over here and show you some results. Okay, here's my email. And now I'm helping others to plug into this. So if you've tried this and you failed before, this might be the one that helps, that sticks. You can go to carol.ws. You might just be one click away from getting your first successful results online. Again, just go to carol.ws for more information.